Dear students, in this video, I am going to provide you with some insights on the top 5 most demanding engineering branches in BTech in India based on the current trends and the predictions. However, it is important to note that the demand for specific engineering branches can vary over time and can be influenced by the factors such as technological advancements, industry needs, and market trends. The first and most demanding branch in the future is artificial intelligence and machine learning. With the growing influence of AI and ML across various industries, there is an increasing demand for professionals who can develop intelligent systems, algorithms, and applications. AI and ML engineers are sought after for roles such as data scientists, AI researchers, and machine learning engineers. Second most demanding branch may be data science and analytics. As businesses collect and analyze a large amount of data, there is a need for skilled professionals who can derive meaningful insights and make data-driven decisions. Data scientists and analysts help organizations uncover patterns, trends, and opportunities from complex data sets. And third most important branch is going to be very demanding in future is robotics and automation engineering. As automation and robotics continue to transform industries, there is a rising demand for engineers who can design, develop, and maintain automated systems. This field encompasses areas such as industrial automation, robotic process automation, and unmanned vehicles. Next one, cyber security engineering. With the increasing reliance on digital technologies, cyber security has become a critical concern. Cybersecurity engineers play a crucial role in protecting sensitive information, securing digital systems from cyber threats. The demand for professionals skilled in cybersecurity is expected to grow significantly in the future. And the most important one is renewable energy engineering. As the world focuses on sustainable development and reducing carbon emissions, there is a growing demand for engineers specializing in renewable energy. This field includes areas such as solar engineering, energy, and energy efficiency. Renewable energy engineers work on designing and implementing clean energy solutions. These are just few examples of engineering branches that are likely to be high demand in the future. It's important to research and stay updated with the latest industry trends and demands to make informed decisions about your career path. For more such career guidance videos, keep watching my channel. In the next video, yours Reed Hussain.